Hey guys, Savage Rebuilt here. I just received the headlight that I ordered. Getting very excited about this. Just take a look at this. I think these are LED. I'm not sure. And then you got the LED bar here, which is like it has the running daylight plus a switchback LED, amber LED. Can't wait to plug this in. As you can tell, this is beautiful. I really like this headlight. There's only one connector that goes into the socket here. This is a piece from the previous headlight. I never took it out. I believe this is a size 7, and they're all size 7s all over. So my understanding is you attach this piece here over here, and then this guy here goes over here, and then you got this piece here that goes over here. They're all size 7, so I'm gonna do that now, and just so I can try this headlight, and I'll let you guys know how it comes out. All right, guys. Take a look here. It already looks awesome. Now, as I mentioned, there's only one piece here. It's located out here, someplace up right here. So this right goes over here. It attaches over here. So I don't know if you guys can see, but if not, this piece comes out. It has a clamp, so all you have to do is attach it like that. That's really it. But this is just a test, so I'm not really worried about, tying it too much. Just want to test it and see how well it goes. That is really beautiful. I can't wait, guys. This is just a test run. Can't wait. Just needs a minor fixing, and this car will be on the road. At some point, I will also go over on how to get your MyLink infotainment system when it's dark or black like this. How do you turn it on? I'm having some issue here where it was working when I got the car. I don't know if it's the battery. I removed the battery, but then when I plugged it back in, it never came back on. So at some point I will go over on how to troubleshoot this and how to get it back working. But yeah.